Hello everyone, today we're going to have an MYOB tutorial and review, so please watch till the end to properly understand the video. And if you want to create an account on MYOB, you can use our link in the description so that you can get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what is MYOB? So MYOB is one of the best accounting business management software suite that you can use, primarily targeting small and medium businesses and sole operators in Australia and New Zealand. So MYOB stands with Mind Your Own Business, and the platform offers cloud-based online and desktop options for or hybrid setup. So over time, MYOB has expanded beyond simple bookkeeping to include modules for payroll, inventory reporting, project job costing, integration, compliance, etc. So it covers different tiers, sole traders, small business, and medium businesses. So how to use it depends on which product or plan you want or you have. Based on what type of tiers you have, you can see how you can use it. So if you are a sole operators, choose this one. If you are small businesses, choose this one. Medium large businesses, choose this one. Or accountants and bookkeepers. So it depends on what type you are, what type of this operators you are. So for example, you are a solo operators. They have a uh, you know a website for that, and actually offers uh, a, b- a certain subscription for that too. And for example, if you're a small businesses, so let's discuss the key features. So the key features of MYOB, they have invoicing and codes. They can create and send invoices, quotations to customers, so that you can have customized templates too. And they record supplier bills, categorize expenses, attach receipts, and they have a link bank account so transactions flow into MYOB and match them to the entries. They process payrons, manage taxes, compliances, superannuation, and pay slips. And also they track stock levels, manage items, monitor reorder points, valuations. And yeah, that's it. So actually you can auto it is one of the best automation for finance. So they have financial statement, profits and loss, cash flow dashboard for key metrics. So right here, if you want, you can choose what type of business you are. If you're a sole operator, small business, medium, large business, and right here you can just click plan and pricing to see the best MYOB plan for you. So actually, each plan has its own benefits. So for the best plan, which is the solo by MYOB, they have automated tax and GST tracking. They create and send unlimited invoices. They have enabled in-person payments with tap to pay, and also you can use light if you are a sole trader or a small business with up to 2 employees. You can use this one. But yeah, if you are a sole trader, best is choose solo by MYOB. But if you are a small business, choose light. If you are a small business, choose pro. And if you are a accounting and for bookkeep in under bookkeeping section, choose this one, account right plus. And yes, that's it for the plans and pricing. So now let's discuss their uh products that they offer. So you can see they have solo by MYOB, the all-in-one mobile application for sole traders. So they have a application for this one to manage admin, banking, and payments. So that it's actually what it do. And for the MYOB business, so uh, this is actually one of their application or uh products that you can buy. It is the light. You can see the pricing previously right here. And for sole traders and small business with up to 2 employees, and MYOB Business Pro, Payroll Only, Account Right Plus, and Account Right Premier. And each of them is an application that you can purchase to use the MYOB. So now under features page, so it deep dives on function. For example, invoicing, payroll, inventory with explanatory text, screenshot, and sometimes short demos. And you can just click on this forums right here or links. For example, invoicing, you can see about the MYOB invoicing software that turns late payers into great payers. So as you can see, invoicing softwares for any professional. You can effortlessly create quotes. This is how it would look like. And invoice with your business branding. Simply add your logo and colors to create a range of customized templates for professional polished invoices every time. They offers accurate customizable invoices in no time. They have easy ways to pay for faster payment. They reach customers on their terms, send invoices via a text or email, and let your customers pay in just a few clicks. And they have a get cash following three times faster by giving customers convenient ways to pay like Amex, Apple Pay, BPay, Google Pay, Mastercard, PayPal, and Visa. And yes, that's it. That's it for the invoicing features for accounting. So you can see, explore how MYOB can help your business. So this is where you can award. So MYOB is an award-winning accounting software that does it all. So easy to use accounting and business management software for starters and doers. From quick invoicing to lodging the right taxes, MYOB works for you, so you can focus on what matters most. And yes, right here. So with MYOB on your side, you can save time on admin. You can set invoices on the spot, capture deductible receipt, and stay in control all from your mobile phone itself. Yes, that's it for the accounting. And for the timesheets, so timesheets, rosters, and pay runs, you can do it all on the go right here on MYOB. So this is it right here. So timesheet and rosters and location tracking are all synced to your MYOB business software, making every pay run accurate and easy. So you can, whether you're working off-site or stuck waiting for a coffee, you'll be able to see when employees clock on and off using the MYOB team application, giving your visibility of who's working, who's running late, and who's on break. So also you can have members in MYOB. So you can get employees set up and ready to start sooner. New team members can submit their bank, tax, and superannuation details via MYOB secure employee onboarding form. So you can avoid the dreaded paperwork and data entry that often leads to mistakes when setting up new employees. That's it. And lastly, for cash flow management, so take control with cash flow management software. You can get your cash flowing 3 times faster. You can reach customers on their terms. As I said, this is what I read earlier. You can view your income, profits, and expenses at glance with your customizable dashboard. Keep an eye on the figures and graphs. So this is how it will look like. The matters most, like monthly income versus expenses, daily cash flow, and your overall financial position. You can see all of the reports and analytics right on the application itself. So yeah, it's very good features. And lastly, for job track and others for job tracking, expense management, yeah, you can manage your bills, expenses, and reconcile bank transaction with ease right here on the platform. And lastly, for I want to, if you want to get paid, you can create and send branded invoices, add fast payments, and nudge late payers and track job expenses. You can manage tax, you can manage deduction, track GST, invite collaborators, and never second guess payroll calculations. Again, you can pay employees, make a payday a breeze with automatic tax and retirement calculation, whether you're paying one person or a whole team. You can manage your stock, you can track your performance, you can scale up with flexible features accessible from one place. MYOB simplifies business complexity to help you grow. And also, you can connect other third-party integration, connect your all of your business tools, sync data, link bank accounts, and work from anywhere 24/7. And that's it. So it's actually good to have MYOB as your invoice automatic invoice platform. And if you want to create an account, you can just sign up by choosing a plan first, buy now, so that uh, right there on the application you can create an account there, and make sure that you choose the subscription based on what type of business you have. So if you have a small business, medium business, uh, if you are solo traders, yeah, it's up to you. And this is actually the prices. Make and also make sure to read the benefits so that you will have a an insight of what you can get after purchasing the subscription, purchasing the products itself. And that's it for the MIOB MIOB tutorial and overview. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.